Welcome, my dear. Come sit with me for a little while, and let us remember some of life's gentle things. Long before sleep medications filled medicine cabinets, many homes quietly ended the day with a warm cup prepared by loving hands. There was a time when the simple ritual of preparing a bedtime drink was almost as important as sleep itself. Many grandmothers believed that peaceful sleep began not in the bedroom, but in the quiet moments before bed. Some of these ancient drinks have been shared for generations, passed softly from one kitchen to another. Today, science is slowly rediscovering what many families quietly practiced for centuries. These bedtime traditions were never hurried. They invited stillness. Perhaps that was part of their quiet wisdom. Tonight, let us remember some of the ancient bedtime drinks that once helped people surrender gently to sleep. Sleep has always been precious. Every culture seems to have carried its own quiet evening traditions. I still remember visiting older relatives who never went to bed without first warming something on the stove. The aroma itself seemed to signal that the day was gently coming to an end. These rituals offered more than nourishment. They offered reassurance. In uncertain times, familiar rituals often brought comfort to tired minds. Modern studies quietly support the idea that bedtime rituals themselves may help prepare the body for rest. So tonight, we are not simply talking about drinks. We are remembering a slower way of ending the day. And perhaps, somewhere within these traditions, we may rediscover a little peace for ourselves. Few bedtime drinks have been loved as faithfully as simple chamomile tea. Ancient Egyptians treasured chamomile and considered it a gift worthy of great respect. Across Europe, chamomile eventually became a beloved nighttime companion. Many grandmothers quietly kept dried chamomile hanging in the kitchen throughout the winter months. Today, some researchers believe chamomile may support relaxation and healthy sleep patterns. Preparing it was wonderfully simple. Just hot water, dried blossoms, and patience. Often, a spoonful of honey was added for extra warmth and comfort. The ritual itself invited people to slow down and breathe more softly. Perhaps that is why so many families continued this tradition for generations. Even now, the scent of chamomile still feels like an old friend returning home. Warm milk before bed may be one of humanity's oldest nighttime comforts. Many biblical communities valued milk as a nourishing and comforting food. Later, honey was often added to create an especially soothing bedtime drink. When I was young, many homes ended the evening this way on cold winter nights. Science is slowly rediscovering that warm drinks themselves may encourage feelings of relaxation. Some families also added cinnamon or nutmeg for extra fragrance. The aroma alone often seemed enough to quiet restless evening. Simple traditions sometimes carry the deepest comfort. Lavender has long been associated with calm evenings and peaceful rest. Ancient Mediterranean communities often treasured lavender for its comforting fragrance. Many grandmothers steeped only a small amount, allowing its delicate aroma to shine gently. Modern studies quietly support lavender's traditional reputation for promoting relaxation. As always, the evening ritual mattered just as much as the drink itself. People would often sit slowly, speaking softly, allowing the day to settle. Perhaps this simple slowing down was part of the secret all along. Ancient bedtime drinks were never only about herbs, milk, or honey. They were small ceremonies of comfort offered at the end of a long day. Perhaps peaceful sleep has always begun with gentleness, and perhaps, even today, these simple traditions still have something meaningful to offer. Take gentle care of yourself this week, and may your evenings be peaceful.